Hey, Cam here with Shade Screen Solutions. In this video, I'm going to show you how to measure for solar screens when your window's recessed. You want to take your width on 3 separate points. From the bottom here, which is 35 3/8. The middle, which is also 35 3/8. And I've already measured the top, which is 35 1/2. What you want to do from there is actually you want to go with your smallest measurement. You're going to do the same thing for your height in 3 separate points, which is going to be on the left, the middle, and the right. I've already went ahead and measured that, which is consistent with 75 3/8 across. So based on your installation type, you're going to make your deductions off your smallest, again, which is going to be 35 3/8 for me, and 75 3/8. Fortunately, it was consistent through. You make your deductions from there. Now we're going to go over the 3 installation methods for windows that are recessed. What I have here is called a brick clip. What it does is inserts to the screen frame on this side. This jagged part presses against the brick and holds it in place. The great thing about this type of installation, there's nothing permanent. It's easy to remove. There's no drilling, there's no screwing. If you were to use this method, it does require a 1-inch deduction off of the smallest measurement that you have, only on the width. The height, you're going to leave it as is, or you deduct 1/8 of an inch just to give yourself some wiggle room for fitment. But other than that, you're going to install them right on the sides. As you can see here, I've already pre-installed this screen with the brick clip, and it's pressed in there. It's not going in anywhere. The other type of method is dual lock, made by 3M. So it's essentially an industrial strength Velcro that has 2 pieces that you're going to mate there. Adhesive on one side, that's going to go on the window screen. Adhesive on the other side, that's going to go on your window frame. Similar to the brick clip, there's no screwing. It's not permanent. You can peel them off, right? Now with the dual lock, the deduction is just 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch, just depending on how your brick is. If it's a clean cut on the brick, 1/8 inch. If there is a lot of jagged points, or you notice that there's points where it's protruding inward a little bit more, deduct 1/4 inch. The third installation method is going to be a screw through frame. You're going to drive your screw through the screen frame on the outer edge, which will tap into the window frame as well. That's a permanent type installation, so it's not as easy to remove as the brick clips or the dual lock. The deductions are similar to the dual lock, which is a minimum of 1/8 up to 1/4, just depending on how clean your opening is. The number of screws for the installation really just depends on the height. A 6-foot tall window like this, maybe minimum of 2, maybe 3 on each side, 1 towards the top and 1 towards the bottom in the middle. Now the fourth method for installation, which is specifically for surface mounted screens, where your screen is flush with the exterior of your house, are these die cast clips. If you notice, there's a barrel that the screw will run through, and this arm, which is going to press on the screen frame, holding it in place. The amount of clips and screws that you need to install follow kind of the same logic as the screws only, 2 to 3 on each side, 1 for the top and bottom. With stucco homes, these 1-inch screws, the 3/4 inch screws that are standard, they will not penetrate the stucco far enough to hit the wood behind it. We highly recommend that you upgrade to either an 1 9/16 screw or a 3-inch screw that we have readily available as well.